Very good news to all CA and CMA Inter students. For upcoming December 25 and January 2026 attempt, exam oriented batch direct taxation classes I am giving to you at free of cost. Another good news is along with the classes, I am also sharing with you the material along with questions. You can download that material and you can take printout of it. Okay. The point is how to enroll into classes, how to download the material, how to take printout, all this I am going to tell you in next 5 minutes. Please listen to this video till the end. See, around 100 hours. In 100 hours, I have completed exam oriented batch. You can see each chapter how many hours that is given, each chapter how many minutes, that information is also given. I think house property, income from house property, some of the videos got corrupted. Rest all videos are very good only. When it comes to income from house property, you can watch my booster series that is available in YouTube channel. So this exam oriented batch consists of 100 hours. Total 100 hours you can watch free. Material also I am sharing. You can download, you can take printout. Next, sir, how to download, sir? You need to log into my website phoenixbyuma.com. Spelling careful, PHOENIX, phoenixbyuma.com. Once you go to my website, there are courses available here. You need to buy the courses. Don't worry, you need not pay amount. Hardly you need to pay 1 rupee. Okay, you just go to the website. Let's say you wanted to buy CMA Inter Direct Taxation. Click on it. First, you need to log in. At the time of login, let's say 93917057333. You just log in. OTP will be sent to your mobile number 9626. Just log in. Once you log in, click on add to cart. Go to the cart. Choose only one. Apply coupon code. In coupon code, apply the coupon code gift by Uma. After you apply the coupon code, you need to pay only 1 rupee. You can proceed. You should go to proceed to payment. Here you need to make the payment 1 rupee. And at the time of login, it will also ask for mail ID. You need to give details of mail ID also. As I have logged in earlier, now it did not ask me. Generally, when you are logging in for the first time, it will also ask the mail ID. You need to give the mail ID. Once you make payment of 1 rupee, a mail will come to your registered mail ID. In that mail, all the classes links are provided. Or alternatively, you can download the app. You go to the Play Store and download the app. Again, phoenixbyuma.com. Okay, once you download the app phoenixbyuma.com, in the downloaded app, you log in through your registered mobile number. After you log in through your registered mobile number, classes are available in the Phoenix by Uma app. Even material is also available. You can download the material also. You can download the material and you can take printout. So make best utilization of this opportunity. Free classes. For I charge 3,600 rupees to give these classes, but I am giving at free of cost. Even material also I am sharing. You can download and take printout. I introspected, I invested lot of money to record these classes, to prepare the material, like editing department worked, material department worked, like thumbnails department worked. So lot of people, 3 to 4 students have worked. I am paying salaries to them. Still, I want to gift this to you. Make best utilization of this opportunity. Only one thing, I have invested lot of money. My investment should benefit maximum number of students. That's why, like, if you really get benefit out of this one, please share this reel. please share this YouTube video to maximum number of students so that more students will get better benefit out of it. Okay, that's the price which you are paying me. Thank you very much.